Pimp City, Pimp City, y'all. 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 Now hey, little punk, you say you wanna flip through the hood? Well, come to Club Cat Toe will serve you up real good. We got the switch, your sweets and all that shit. Try to talk some trash and get beat down by the fucking clique. Now every day these punks wanna get an attitude, knowing damn well if they flex they get they motherfucking face bruised. It's dirty, I'm saying fuck the remix, cause if it don't stick I might wind up a convict. Black Woodies on the creek, no doubt. Let down this goddamn window and let some of this fucking smoke out. In H-Town it's a nice degree, so the bitches with tight shorts to catch the simps with ease. But the pimps just roll by. We see you walking, but the pimps just roll by. Now when the day begun, she thought she would be the one to give me the snatch. She know all black Woodies hang at Pimp City, Pimp City, y'all. 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 Now I didn't know when I flexed that I would be next to cause havoc and be in total effect. But check it, you see, me and Mitch, we do it like pimps would do. When you standing in line, we walking right past you. And now you wanna know who the fuck I am. I'm just another black Woody that's hip to the fucking scam. Through the door, hit the bar with vengeance, proving and showing to the suckers that we winning this. Bitches wanna stroll through constantly, but we can see they game because they drunker than me. You better realize over here to get fucked up. Kick it with the homies and socialize with the host with the bigger butts. A bucket on the bar full of ice and beer. We're spending 50 at a time. Punk, you can't get served here. I got the piss, was the restroom to let me see. When I walk through the crowd, I hear hoes saying I know where he be. Pimp City, Pimp City, y'all. 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 Now tell me what you talking about. I can take you to Pimp City and show you what it's all about. I can show you where they had a killing last week, but you probably wanna see the big butt freaks. But shit, I'ma take you to the dog, man. He got a pit bull that never lost, man. Now ain't that a bitch? With the money I invested, I done bought a boatload of shit. But check it out, word, it ain't nothing but what I done and what I deserve. Now let's continue down the block. I'ma take you straight to Club Cat Toe, where the dealers non-stop. Say, man, if you're tripping, they gon' flow ya. Cause they be tripping they damn self if they don't know ya. So stay cool and keep a calm face. And when the dope fired up, don't lose your place. Cause everybody know a sucker wanna be a sucker. But over here you could be a dead motherfucker. You was cool, it's time for me and you to mob. We hit a block, and then I see my cousin Rod. I gave some doubt and found out a little hap. I said let's hit the boulevard and lean hard. We can have us a drink and a smoke or two. That's the kind of shit that we do down at Pimp City, Pimp City, y'all. Pimp City, Pimp City, y'all. Pimp City,